Make a great choice today with the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.